Oh, it's me, Markov Yuri. And today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Strawberry Cupcake. It's from a video called vertical bracket UPSTTSTO and ACH vertical bracket JACHAFART vertical bracket. That video was uploaded 1 year ago on July 7, 2023. The duration of the sound effect is 012 to 018. The stomach growling sound effect will be removed at the beginning, and the diarrhea sound effect will be removed at the end. Now it's time to preview the sound effect in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See? That's how the farting sound effect from Strawberry Cupcake sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. Ugh. Ow. My stomach hurts. Ouch. I have to go to the bathroom and test Strawberry Cupcake's farting sound effect. Ugh. That felt good. Remember kids, just use this farting sound effect when you need to go poop. It starts at 012 and ends at 018. Make sure you remove the stomach growling sound effect at the beginning and the diarrhea sound effect at the end, okay?